Hello, my name is Bree and I'm going to be showing you my process to creating this piece. I'm not going to be talking through this one that much, but my process is typically the same. Sometimes I tape the back, sometimes I don't, but I mix my paints, I don't measure, I go by eye and feel. I fill my pour cups and I pour however way feels right in the moment. I go clockwise, counterclockwise, and move it all around. Here is the finished piece. The video does not do it justice. I don't have a clip of me adding the glitter because it was an afterthought, a spur of the moment thing to fix what I didn't like, and the painting came out beautifully. If you are interested in this piece, it is available on my website. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.